G'day, here's a few pieces of Boulder Opal from central Queensland, Australia. I'll zoom in so you can see it. Okay, material's been wetted. It's basically mine run material. Cut that in half perhaps. With Boulder Opal, what you're often looking for is seams. That bit's been thrown in, like this piece. And you've cut down a lot of the time to the seams with this piece. Maybe just cut across to start with, see if that's a stone. It's basically lower grade material, most of it, something like that. Might get a little pretty stone out of the top there. Cut that for a pendant. Piece like that I've just thrown in. I'd rather see it go to a home where you get to play with material. I've priced the deal on what I can see, like that piece. Nothing much, but there is a little bit of a flash in there from what I could see there. This here can get ground off and you'll get blue, possibly right across, or that end anyway, that drops down on this end. Big thick potch and colour piece. Anyway, I hope you've enjoyed. Cheers.